Hello, everyone. This is Princess Feline D. Taga, and today I will be discussing to you the topic that was assigned to me in Qualitative Data Analysis, EDUC 253, which focuses on designing a qualitative research.
Why research questions matter in qualitative research. Research questions are your guiding compass.
They take your broad topic and narrow it down into a manageable, specific inquiries that will drive your study. In qualitative research, this is particularly important because of the complex, exploratory nature of the methods you'll use.
Why research questions matter in qualitative research? Because these questions help ensure that your study remains focused and that your data collection aligned with your goals.
Qualitative research questions often focused on understanding experiences, exploring perspectives, and uncovering the meanings people attribute to certain events and phenomena.
What makes a good qualitative research question? A strong qualitative research question should be specific,
It targets a distinct aspect of your topic.
open-ended,
It allows for exploration rather than simple yes or no answers.
researchable,
You should be able to gather data to answer it through qualitative methods like interviews or observations.
and aligned with your aims.
It should be aligned because your question should exactly or directly link back to your research aims and objectives.
Different types of qualitative research question. In developing your questions, consider these common types. Experience or perception,
In this type, it will explore how people perceived or experience something.
meaning,
It will uncover the meanings participants attribute to their experiences.
impact,
It will examine the influence or effect of a factor on a specific group.
and process.
It will investigate the steps or stages involved in a particular experience.
Characteristic of the qualitative research. Emphasis on context. Qualitative research focuses on the context in which people experience and interpret events rather than just events themselves.
This means that researchers seek to understand the social, cultural, and historical factors that shape people's experiences.
Data collection through interviews, observations, and other qualitative methods. Qualitative researchers typically collect data through methods.
Such as interviews, observations, focus groups, and other techniques that allow for detailed exploration of people's experiences and perspectives.
Subjectivity. Qualitative research acknowledges the subjectivity of the researcher and the participants.
It will also recognizes that there is a possible multiple perspectives and interpretations.
Flexibility. Qualitative research is often flexible and iterative.
It allows the researcher to adjust their methods and approach based on the data they collect and the insights they gain.
Generalizability. Qualitative research does not seek to generalize findings to a larger population in the same way that qualitative research does.
Instead, qualitative research seeks to provide rich and detailed descriptions of the experiences and perspectives of individuals and groups.
Interpretive and exploratory. Qualitative research is often exploratory or interpretive, seeking to understand phenomena.
It also seeks to understand some complex phenomena rather than testing a specific hypothesis.
The subject in its own frame of reference when studying a social group or a society far from his own, the qualitative researcher does not judge the attitude and thoughts of the group from his own point of view, but tries to understand in with the framework or values, norms, practices, and beliefs of the group studied.
The subjective aspect is always present in this type of research, but an attempt is made to identify one's own opinions and prejudices to avoid affecting the research.
Process oriented. One of the reasons why qualitative research does not seek universal generalizations in is because it does not focus on a fixed situation or invariant states of a society.
In this characteristic, qualitative research looks at the way a society transformed and not the initial or final stage of change. It also studies its own process. This means that it is recursive. It refers to itself.
When to use qualitative research? Qualitative research is used when you want to gather in-depth insights into a problem or phenomenon. You need to understand concepts, opinions, or experiences. You are interested in exploring complex multi-component interventions. You want to focus interviews improvement. You aim to understand social phenomena in natural settings. And you want to explore behaviors, attitude, and cultural practices.
And that is the end of my presentation. Again, this is Princess Feline Taga, MS Mathematics Education student. Thank you and God bless.